Let your clients know the latest news by utilizing the blog block. You can choose to display all of your posts or post with a specific tag. You can also sort your posts by most recent or most popular. If you need to make edits to any of your posts, you can click the Manage Posts button. Once you've customized your settings, you can choose a layout. We offer minimal layouts that show blog title and date, layouts that show a preview of your blog post, and the option to show your blog feed right on the page. Choose what works for you. Before you save your layout, make sure to set your rows and columns depending on how many posts you want to show in the block. Your rows are horizontal, while your columns are vertical. You can customize this block under the Advanced area. Keep in mind that these block settings will override the global settings you've set up. You can add a last item link to show off text, load more posts, or as a standalone link. You can also control the spacing, colors, and background of the block. This looks awesome!